Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be studying rib feature. So what basically rib provide some support to your structure. Okay, we'll see how it work in this tutorial video. Okay, give it 10 is good. Okay, now again select this surface and we'll draw a sketch over it. And now this one, corner rectangle. From here to here. Now go to feature, select extrude and extrude it to, for example, 70. Yeah, it's good. Now let's select some plane, for example, front plane here. Now what we'll do on front plane, from here to here. Now go to the rib feature, go to feature, select rib. Here is my rib. So it is saying that I want my rib on upward direction or at downward direction, but if I select upward direction it will not create any rib because we don't have any material this side. So rib will create if you have some material at the top. Rib will create at this direction where you have some material, so it will add the material till that already available material. Okay, these are the thicknesses. Thickness means that if I increase this, it will increase the thickness. And here is my symmetries. If I want this one, so first side means that the whole thickness will be on just on the one side. If I select this, so the whole thickness will be on this side, but if I select it, it means that it will divide my thickness into equal form, and it will go equally in both direction of my created line. Okay, so you can also change the direction from here to here like this. Okay, so it is downward. Now create rib. Okay, so this is the rib. This type of you would have seen these kind of ribs in some tables maybe, or in some support that you provide to air conditions, or something that on a wall that you want to hang them, and you provide the frame to it. You would have seen these kind of supports there. So it is basically used to reinforce your product. Okay, let's just delete this one, and I will show you. You can use it in many different ways in creating some interesting shapes. Okay, let's just increase the length of it, parameters actually. Okay, go to feature and select 70, but we'll need some thin feature here. Okay, thin outward or thin, or sorry, I want 5mm thin. Okay, select this one. So I want my sketch to be drawn on this plane. Okay, so now select this line. I want to create some structure like a cupboard. Okay, here, so go to, let's check. Actually I want to draw one over here, so I want to check the okay, now something like 21. Okay, 21 over here. Now go to offset entities. I want this 21. Okay, yeah, so this is line offset, and again offset 21, again offset, uh, offset this one at 21, and now we'll keep it in. Okay, now here I want something. Let's say this is 28, so I'll put this 23. Yep. Okay, now this one offset, reverse the direction, and select here 23. Okay, offset, reverse 23, offset, reverse, and select this one, again offset, select this one, reverse the direction, offset, select this one, reverse the direction, again select this one, offset, reverse the direction, and this is all. Okay, now I will hide out these relations. I want to hide this one. Okay, so these are my, oh, I need to, okay, I don't have material actually at this end, so I will first provide some material here. Let's just draw a rectangle from here to here, and extrude feature, and I want thin surface here. Okay, now go back to your sketch number 4. Sorry, here is my sketch. Okay, I've done something wrong, and this is that I need to shuffle it. I want to shift this sketch below this extrude command, because if I select this one and it is at the upside, so it will not create my rib, because the material will be absent, and I have created this feature, so this feature will be absent because I have, for example, if I select this one, this I would be unable to work on this sketch because it is below this one. I have created this after that. Okay, now go to rib. Where is it? Features, rib, and 20 is too much, so I will create it, for example 2. Let's say, yeah, 2 is good. You can select any from here, but I will select a middle. Okay, and direction is downward. Create. Now you can see how it works. You can create many different types of interesting shapes by using this rib command. You can create many different, for example, fins of something like exhaust or anything that you want. So this was all about rib. I hope you'd like it. Please like and share our videos with your friends. and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.